Welcome to our channel. Today we First, choose a niche that has high demand and low competition. Conduct thorough market research using eBay's trending tools and Google Trends. Identify reliable suppliers who offer quality products at competitive prices. Set up your eBay seller account, ensuring all your information is accurate and complete. Create a professional seller profile that reflects your brand. Determine your pricing strategy, factoring in product costs, shipping fees, and eBay fees. List your products with clear titles and high-quality images to attract buyers. Write detailed and accurate product descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords to enhance search visibility. Utilize eBay's promotional tools, such as promotions and markdown sales, to increase sales potential. Monitor competitor pricing regularly to ensure your prices remain competitive. Set up efficient inventory management to avoid stockouts and overselling. Implement an effective shipping strategy, offering various shipping options for customer convenience. Respond promptly to customer inquiries to build trust and improve seller ratings. Gather customer feedback and reviews to enhance your credibility. Continuously analyze your sales metrics to understand what is working and what needs improvement. Adjust your strategies based on customer preferences and market changes. Stay informed about eBay's policies and changes to ensure compliance. Utilize eBay's advertising options to boost visibility for your listings. Network with other dropshippers to share insights and best practices. By following these steps, you can optimize your dropshipping business on eBay for success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.